All right, Carrie, thank you. Right now, your furnace is working overtime to try to keep your house warm.
And that's why it's important to take steps to make sure it's running as efficiently as possible. WSBT 22's Caroline Torie is at Home Comfort Experts in Mishawaka to explain how you can do this. Caroline.
Good morning, Bob and Leanne. James from Home Comfort Experts joins me right now. So what are some of the easy things that people can try to do to make sure that their furnace runs smoothly?
First and foremost, if you have not changed your filter, change your filter this morning. A clean filter is going to allow the furnace to run easier, run cooler. A plugged filter is going to cause it to run longer and hotter and possibly even get to a point where it's hitting a high temperature limit and shutting down. Thermostat settings. If you're leaving for work this morning, take your thermostat out of a normal program schedule where you're dropping it to, 65, 63 or something while you're gone for work. Your furnace is designed to heat your house at 70 degrees at 0 outside. At -20, it may not actually be able to raise the temperature in the house, just try and maintain where it's at. So whatever temperature you want it at, set the thermostat there, hit the hold temperature button, and just leave it set there. Now, if your house is heating just fine, you can drop that temperature down a little bit, make it easier on the furnace. It's easier to maintain 67 than 70, but if you're worried about staying warm, if you're worried about elderly in the house, small children in the house, go ahead and bump the thermostat up. Maybe if you keep it at 70, bump it up to 74, because we may start to see that thermostat dropping temperature. Even though the furnace is working, it's not designed to heat the house at -20 outside. So bumping the temperature up, you may see it gradually start to drop. One thing I will urge people is, if you see that thermostat gradually starting to drop, every hour you're losing a degree, or every couple hours losing a degree, if you've got warm air blowing out of the registers, the furnace is doing everything it can. Probably not a reason to call. Wait till tomorrow until it starts to warm up. Everything should come back to normal. If the temperature's dropping and you do not have warm air blowing out of the registers, call immediately. If you have no heat, these houses are going to start dropping temperature fast. By the end of the day, we could literally be in frozen pipe situations, even if everything is warm right now. The quicker you call, the quicker we can get out to you. Do not wait until tonight. Don't wait until it's too late.
Yeah. James, thank you so much for speaking to us. All good tips. So we do know that you have a lot of staff on hand to make sure that you address those concerns. So thank you very much. Live here in Mishawaka, I'm Caroline Torie, WSBT 22 News.
Caroline, thank you. 7:18 now.